Hi, welcome to DevAlpha. Today we are going to see how to scrap data from Google Maps by using our bot. So first of all, let's take an example that we need digital marketers in United States. Click search button. And now we need these results. So let's see how our bot will scrap these results. So close this window. Open this folder. When you receive file from me, you need to extract it, and after extracting you need to open this folder, scroll down, open this red icon file, close this folder. This is our bot. Before starting, we have to type our keywords and targeted locations. And we can also type more than one keywords and locations. No need to type in on this side and on this side. No need to type. Just keywords and location. And click start button. Pause it. Let me show you something. Our bot searched digital marketers in United States and it will scrap all of these results. So let's resume. Now it's scraping the results. So if you need to count the rows, how many rows have been scrapped, so come on footer and right click on it. And click count. We can also apply some additional changes in our board. Click this settings button, and here you can select your own data columns which you want. If you need social links, click it, and business hours, click. And this tab show you if you have slow internet speed, you must have to increase the seconds to wait for. But if you have a fine internet, just choose 1 second and apply it. Now it will scrap social media info and business hours. And let me show you more features in our bot. So you can change the theme here of your own choice, and you can also choose your favorite color here. If you need to apply custom filters here, so you can easily apply. Click on column name, and additional filter setting with here, so it's depend upon you. You can pause it and resume it from here. Okay, now we are going to export this data. Click export button, choose your path where you want. I am selecting desktop, and type file name here. Click save button, and here you can choose your output format here, and open exported file. Click here, export. So this is our exported file. We can further edit it. Let me do it. Now the file is ready for use. Close it. For the protection of our data, when you close the bot, it will show a warning message. And you can also clear all data here. Close this window. So all data has been cleared. You can close it from here. So this was our bot. If you have any questions, go over the description to see the contact info. I would be thrilled to assist you. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe our channel to stay updated with our new boards. Thank you very much.